Hi, I'm Daniel Wyss. I'm CTO at Skybo in Switzerland. We're specialized in developing core functionalities of business applications on SharePoint. I've been working on SharePoint for the last 8 years and worked on farm solutions using server-side object model, building frameworks for building business solutions in SharePoint. And the last 3 years, I've been working on add-ins, SharePoint add-ins. So like one of the most notable ones is Ardavia Rich Forms now, Skybo Rich Forms, which is a forms editor, award-winning forms editor in the store. And we also have other Skybo apps like Theme Designer, Action Links, Tab Pages I've been building. Now, at the moment, I'm driving the new Skybo products, the next generation ecosystem for accelerating the implementation of solutions on SharePoint in the cloud, Office 365, and on-premise. So what's my session at ESPC all about? It's all about software as a service, multi-tenant on SharePoint. So in essence, it's like how to build a hosted websites, hosted service connecting to multiple SharePoint tenants of your customers. I'll be drawing on experiences from creating a website for our partners and customers that needs to connect to different SharePoint sites. The things we are looking at is having no installations to be done by the customers. It must be secure and trustworthy. It needs enough permissions to create SharePoint sites and other assets, and it will allow different logins on different SharePoint tenants at the same time. We will be running through the options like SharePoint add-ins, ACS on-the-fly permissions, or accessing CSOM on credentials, with credentials, or, and that's probably the best part, connecting to SharePoint CSOM using the Azure AD application. We'll be looking at the drawbacks and advantages of the different options, and I'll be showing a hands-on sample, providing a website anyone can actually use to copy a SharePoint site from an Office 365 tenant to any other Office 365 tenant. The speech will be targeted at software architects and developers because I will be showing code and live examples. So it's not only theories and concepts. Why should you join my session? Well, if you want to find out the differences between ACS authentication and Azure AD authentication, get a clear understanding of about what is SharePoint App Principle and where can Azure AD apps be used to also connect to SharePoint using the tokens in Azure AD applications to connect using CSOM, then it's definitely a good place to be. Join me at ESPC on Tuesday, 15th November at 4:45, and I hope to see you all there.